I hope you are hearing the sound of random machine.
What's up guys, today I'm here with new video and I have attached my free energy generator to the bicycle. In my previous video you guys comments and you guys guess me that connect this free energy generator to the bike pedal or something like that. You can see the comments on the screen and read it. Pause the video and see. Those guys told me that do the video on this, and I'm here with that video. So in my previous video I have read comments, and you guys some of you guys said that it's not free energy, it's fake or something like that. And according to my thoughts and knowledge, free energy means you are not going to pay for that. It is free, your own energy, means you are creating your own energy. You are not going to pay for that. Something just like you pay for the electricity monthly, there the electricity bill come to your home and that you pay for that. So it's your own free energy. You can connect a fan blades like a wind turbine and do something like water flowing, rotating fans. So this is your own free energy, and there is not free energy. I mean, every action has a reaction. I think it's the law of Newton's that when we do the action, so it will give the reaction. So there is nothing free. This is free. I think my means is this, that free means you are not going to pay for that. So it's free. I mean that, not free that it's giving itself electricity or glowing the bulb itself. That is not possible. So now I am going to come to my topic. I have attached my free energy generator to bicycle, and now I will just move the pedal, and my free energy generator will produce electricity. Now let's check and what happened. So as you guys can see, I have colored my free energy generator with my favorite color. This is my favorite color, and here is the belt, here it is the pulley, and this is just like, this will work like a flywheel. Means it will store energy. So we will not have to, the pedal will not be hard just having this. So you guys comments on my video and tell me, is it a good color choice or not. And now I'm going to connect some energy savers to this. I will move the pedal and it will continue the voltage, and the energy savers, all energy savers will keep glowing. In previous video I just moved it by hand and something like rope, so it was not glowing for a long time. So now it is the time to blow all my energy savers, keep glowing at a time, and you guys will believe that it is real. Some of you guys said that it is fake. It's not fake, it's real. So I'm going to connect energy savers to this, and let's check what's happened. Guys, I will have to put something here. This is too heavy. This when I move the pedal, so it comes up, as you can see. So I will have to put something here, means some heavy thing like block I will put here. I will have to put something here. So guys, now we will connect 5 energy savers at a time and see what's happening in the next coming time. So I'm going to connecting 5 energy savers and let's see what happened. These are the 5 energy savers. with my favorite color wires. So now we will see what's happened, and we will glow this. We will keep glowing this, just moving the pedal. So let's see. As you guys can see, there are 5 energy savers connected to my free energy generator, and now I am going to move the pedal and see what's happened. So focus on the 5 energy savers. I am going to move the pedal and keep moving, and the 5 energy savers will keep glowing. So let's see. As you can see, 5 energy savers are glowing, and now I am moving the pedal. As you guys can see, when the speed slow, when I increase the speed, so the energy savers keep glowing, and decrease the speed and it's turn off. So focus on the L. Now I am increasing the speed. As you can see, all 5 energy savers are glowing. So this is free energy generator. You are not going to pay for that. It's free energy. As you guys saw that it's working and it's real. All the 5 energy savers were glowing. So now I'm going to check this grinder machine. This, as you can see, maybe you can see that this is 220 volt and 500 watt. This is 220 volt and 50 to 60 frequency. Its frequency is 50-60 hertz and 500 watt. Now I'm going to check this one with my free energy generator. So let's check it. As you guys can see, I have connected this to the grinder machine, and this is the switch button of grinder machine. I have moved this to on, and it is front of you. Nothing is connected to my main, and it's not fake, it's real. Just focus on this blade, it will moving. When I move the pedal, so it's too much noise, so maybe you can hear the sound of grinder machine. So now I'm ready to move the bicycle's pedal and focus on the grinder machine's blade. Just focus on the blade. You guys can see it's moving so far, and I hope you are hearing the sound of grinder machine. Focus on the blade. As you guys know that this grinder machine is 220 volt AC and 500 watt. So the power of this grinder machine is 500 watt. So it is front of you, it was working fine. And this is my free and homemade energy generator. You guys comment down below. And as I mentioned in the previous video that I don't know how to speak English, but I am trying to speak, and you guys also appreciate my English as well as my work and project. So I said thank you very much to all those viewers who appreciate my work and appreciate my English. Thank you very much. And thumbs up for the video next. So the next video is that is coming is on which I'm also working, that is connecting a small two-stroke engine to my free energy generator. I will attach engine to my free energy generator in the next video. So next video is also coming soon. Thank you. Thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.